guys, hopefully this is working alright. I'm not getting the most service down in this crawl space, but wanted to go live here. It's been a little bit since I've done one, show this project we've got going. Figured it'd be kind of cool to do a before and after here, so should have started beforehand. We've already cleaned the trash out of this crawl space, so we're doing an encapsulation up in here. What we do with that, we go through, we clean out any of the trash ahead of time, we level out the rock. We've got to do a little more. We're going to actually hang these this ductwork first, so it's a little easier for us to work in here. We'll finish leveling out the floor. We will then put some drainage matting down, followed by some vapor barriers, and get everything sealed up. What this does is keeps all the gases trapped down in the floor. Also keeps the humidity level down, doesn't allow all that moisture to seep through. Once I go live again to show you guys what it looks like after out here, I'll show you what we got going on in the rest of the basement. It's not the easiest access here, so I'm not going to crawl out just yet, but I'll show you here. So we're doing an interior drain tile system in the remainder of the basement, paired with some Fortress Carbon Kevlar Invisibeams. You can see on this wall some bowing going on. And I'll show you guys the rest of the walls a little later as John over here is working away on those Invisibeams. So you guys be sure to check back when you see another notification. Guys, I wanted to show you what this looks like. We've got it just about finished up here in this crawl space. So Kevin just climbed out. Well, see, it's always fun. Not the biggest opening to get through. 30 pounds ago, I would not have fit in here. But anyway, we'll show you. So we've got our drainage matting that went down underneath this. It's a 20 mil barrier on the bottom, 12 mil on the sides. We've got everything sealed up. On the plastic itself now, all we've got to do is go through, peel this back, and put some sealant on this, so that way it seals absolutely everything and keeps all the moisture down in, all the gases, everything there. We went ahead and secured up these HVAC lines, and I'm going to roll over and show you the last step we've got to do in here. We've got two old vents that were in here, but nowadays, back in the day, they used to say let the crawl spaces breathe, open them up. It's proved that that just causes more issues than it does good. So now the idea is to seal everything up. So we are going to remove that vent, block in this opening. There's one more on that side, and this will be a wrap here. Let's see if I can kind of crawl back and show you guys a little more of the whole thing and what we got going on the rest here. Well, it's hard to really show this in the video, but big difference if any of you guys watched from the beginning here. And those boys are out there making good progress on the tile system. Oh, hey, what's up, John? I don't think he can hear. What? Oh, just saying hi. You're live. John's out here working on some carbon Kevlar Fortress Invisibeams. Be sure to give us a call. You guys want yours done next. Ace Waterproofing Basement Solutions, 563-449-2678. Appreciate you guys.